Hello friends, my name is Sanjuni Swami. Today I will explain to you how curve fitting by method of list sequence. There are three types of curve fitting: fitting of straight line, fitting second degree parabolic curve, and third one is the fitting of exponential curve. These are three types of curve. First one is the fitting of straight line. Fitting of straight line to find to find the equation of straight line satisfying set of points x1 y1 x2 y2 up to xn yn. We will solve these example using the normal equation. Uh, this is one also normal equation, and x summation x y is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. This is one also normal equation. Using these two equations, normal equation, we solve the um, following examples. We will show the first example. Mm, um, First one example is the by method of least sequence. Find the straight line y is equal to a plus bx that best fits following data. This is the given data. X stores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, and y stores 14, 27, 40, 55, 80, 68 values. First, we will draw one table: x, y, x square, x, y. Put all values to 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 27, 14, 55, 5, 68. Uh, First upon, give the x square means this given data square is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and or and next one is the x into y. 1 into 14 is the 14, 2 into 27 is the 54, 3 into 14 is the 120, 4 into 55 is the 220, and 3 5 into 68 5 into 68 is the 340. And the total summation of these all equation is the x summation x is the 15, summation y is the 204, summation x square is the 55, and summation xy is the 74. These all values, हे पूर्ण व्हॅल्यू आता आपल्याला मिळाले. and put in the given formula: straight line to be least fit is best fit is y is equal to a plus bx. This is equation 1, and normal equation is the summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Give the number equation 2, and summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. This is equation number 3. Put the all values inside the equation. So n is equal to count of these numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is the gives 5, and these are overall एक ह्या इक्वेशनचे हे सगळे नंबर्स आहेत. Put in given formula. Summation y is the 204 is equal to n is the 5 into a plus summation x is the 15 b. Put out this is equation number 4, and next equation is the summation xy. Summation xy value is the 748 is equal to summation x value is the 15 a plus summation x square value is the 55 b. This is equation number 5. This equation solve using Cramer's rule or with the help of calcium, go through the mode, press mode 3 times, and equation 1, our degree is 2, so select 2. Put value of a is 5 equal to value of b is 15 equal to value of c is 204, and value of a2 is 15, value of b2 is 55, and value of c2 is 748. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 13.6. These are the a and b values. That equation of straight line to be best fit is y is equal to 13.6 x. This equation put out the our question, equation number 1. So this is the final answer of our question. Thank you.